Hi friends, welcome to Kill Math. So friends, today we are going to discuss how to solve word problems based on simultaneous linear equations. So today we will be doing two word problems, and in the next video we will be doing some more and make the idea more clear. So in this video we will be doing the two word problems, which is one based on the numbers and other based on ages. So let us go into the video. You can see the question is two numbers are in the ratio of 4:7 if thrice the larger be added to twice the smaller, the sum is equal to 59. Find the numbers. So let us take the first number as x and second number as y, where I am assuming x is lesser than y. This is my assumption. You can also write x is greater than y also, and you have to solve according to that. Okay. Now in the question it is given two numbers are in the ratio of x is to 4:7. So given x is to y is equal to 4:7. X is to y is equal to 4:7. So I can also write this as x by y, which is equal to x by y, which is equal to 4/7. On doing the cross multiplication, we will get 7x minus 4y. So now we are getting 7x minus 4y is equal to 0. So we got the first equation as one line equation. This is our first part of the question. So next one is given as if thrice the larger number is added to twice the smaller number, the sum will be 59. So we took x as the smaller number and y as the greater number. So it will be thrice the larger is nothing but thrice v, that y, that is nothing but 3y. Is added to twice the smaller. So smaller is nothing but x. So twice the smaller is nothing but 2x. 2x is equal to nothing but the sum is 59. So let us solve them by the method of simultaneous linear equations by elimination method, by equating coefficients method. Elimination by equating coefficients method. So this is our first equation and this is our second equation. So let us solve them. 7x minus 4y so this equation I can also write as 2x plus 3y is equal to 59. So the second one is 7x minus 4y. So I am writing it 7x minus 4y is equal to 0. Okay. Now let us solve it by the method of elimination by equating coefficients. You can solve it by any method. I am solving it this by method. So here I want to equate the y variables, that is 3y and 4y. So I should multiply 4 with 3 and 3 with 4. So 3 into 4. So we should multiply the whole equation into 4 and 4 with 3. So we should multiply the whole equation with 3. So on multiplying we get 4 into 2 nothing but 8x plus 4 into 3 12y is equal to 59 into 4 nothing but 236. So we will get 8x plus 12y is equal to 236. So the next one is 3 into 7x nothing but 21x minus 3 into 4 nothing but 12y. 21x minus 12y. Is equal to 3 into 0 nothing but 0. So 12y and minus 12y gets cancelled. There is no need of changing any signs because it is plus and minus, so they get cancelled. So here 21 plus 8x nothing but 29x is equal to 236. So we will get x is equal to 236 divided by 9 by transposing 29 to RHS. 236 divided by 29. So we are getting 29 8s are and 4 as numerator and 29 as denominator. I just converted into a mixed fraction. 8 . 29. 4 by 29. So now we got the value of x. So let us find the value of y also. So the value of y is, we should substitute this x value in any of the equation. So I am substituting in this equation, that is 7x minus 4y is equal to 0, our first equation. So 7x, in place of x I am writing 236 by 29 by 29 minus 4y is equal to 0. So 7 into 236 is nothing but 1652. Divided by 29, which is equal to 4y. I just transposed 4y onto RHS, so it will become plus 4y. So now if I transpose 29 to RHS, it will become 29 into 4y, that is nothing but 116y, which is equal to 1652. So it will be cancelled in 2 table. 258 sir, 2826 sir, 229 sir, 413 sir. So it will become 29y is equal to 413. Our y is equal to 413 by 29. So our y will be 14, 7 by 29. So I just converted into a mixed fraction. So this will be our y value and this will be our x value. So now we have solved the first word problem. So let us go into another word problem. So the question is on your screen. A 2-digit number is obtained by multiplying the sum of the digits by 8. Also, it is obtained by multiplying the difference of the digits by 14 and adding 2. Find the number. So first, let us consider a 2-digit number. Here we should take the 10 digits, 10th place digit and 1's place digit in a manner. So for that we are having a certain way of assuming. So let me try to explain you. So it is said to be a 2-digit number. So for 2-digit number we are having a tens place, and a ones place. So if I take the tens place digit as x and ones place digit as y, we will get 10x plus y. You may get a question, how I got this? If my assumption that tens place is nothing but 3, ones place is 4. If we consider this manner, we are reading it as 34. So it is 30 because 30 is nothing but 3 into 10 plus 4 is nothing but 4 into 1. So now if 3 is x into 10 and 4 is y into 1, so 10 into x is nothing but 10x plus y into 1 is nothing but y. So this will be our 2-digit number. So here also I did the same way. So now let us consider that number. So our number is nothing but 10x plus y, a 2-digit number. So this number is obtained by multiplying the sum of digits by 8. So this 2-digit number is obtained by multiplying the sum of digits by 8. So our 10x plus y is obtained by multiplying with 8. So if we consider only the digits, they are x and y. So in the question, if it is given only digits, it is x and y, and if it is given as number, we should write 10x plus y. So keep this in mind. This is a very important point. A 2-digit number is obtained by multiplying the sum of digits. So the digits will be, sum of digits is nothing but x plus y. They said only the digits, so x plus y, and multiplying with 8. So I am multiplying with 8, and what does it gives to is obtained so the 2-digit number is obtained is given in the question. So 10x plus y, this is our equation 1, and we should modify it. That is, we should bring it into a simple manner. So if we open the brackets, it will become 8x plus 8y. 8x plus 8y is equal to 10x plus y. So when 8x go to RHS, it will become 10 minus 8x, that is nothing but 2x. So 8y is equal to 2x plus y. So if y goes to LHS, it will become 8y minus y, that is nothing but 7y. It will become 2x is equal to 7y. So if I transpose 7y onto LHS, it will become 2x minus 7y is equal to 0. 2x minus 7y is equal to 0. This is our first equation. So let us go to the second part. Also, it is obtained by multiplying the difference of the digits by 14 and adding 2. So multiplying the difference of the digits. So the digits will be x and y. It is given by multiplying the difference of the digits. So difference is nothing but subtraction. So x minus y. Difference of the digits by 14 and adding 2. So here it is given, it is also obtained. So it means nothing but our number. It means nothing but our number. It is obtained by multiplying the difference of the digits by 14 and adding 2. So multiplying the difference of the digits. So our difference is nothing but x minus y and it is multiplied with 14. So 14 into x minus y and adding 2. So this is our second equation. So we should modify it. So this framing is very important in the exam point of view. So let us open the brackets of this one. It will be 14x minus 14y plus 2, which is equal to 10x plus y. So it will come, when I transpose 10x onto LHS, it will become 14x minus 10x, nothing but 4x. So 4x, and when I transpose y also to LHS, it will become minus 14 minus y, that is nothing but minus 15y. But if I transpose it to RHS, it will become plus 15y. So I will do it minus 15y only, which is equal to, I am transposing the 2 onto RHS, it will become minus 2. So let us keep this as equation 2. So now let's solve it by equation 1. Nothing but 2x minus 7y is equal to 0. 2x minus 7y is equal to 0. Let's solve by elimination by equating coefficients method. So I want to equate these two variables, x variables. So 4 I will multiply with 2 and 2 I will multiply with 4. It will become into 2 and into 4. We should multiply the whole equation. 4 into 2 is nothing but 8x minus 15 into 2 is nothing but 30y is equal to minus 2 into 2, nothing but minus 4. So 4 into 2x is equal to 8x minus 7 into 4 is nothing but 28y. So it will become minus 28y, which is equal to 4 into 0 is nothing but 0. So our 8x and 8x will be gone by putting the minus sign. So minus sign and this will be gone. So it will become plus and this will become minus. So minus 30 plus 28, that is 28 minus 30 is nothing but minus 2. Minus 2 y is equal to minus 4 minus 0 is nothing but minus 4 itself. Minus 4. So minus minus gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So our y is equal to 2. So we got the value of y. So now we should get the value of x. So in order to get this, we can substitute this y value in any of the equation. So let us consider this equation. 2x minus 7y is equal to 0. So it will come 2x minus 7 into y is nothing but we got the value 2. So 2x minus 7y, y I am substituting 2 and is equal to 0. So 2x minus 7 into 2 nothing but 14, which is equal to 0, and 2x is equal to, on transposing the 14 to RHS, it will become plus 14. 0 plus 14 is nothing but 14. So now it will become 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So x is equal to 7. We got the value of 7. So that's all for today's video, children. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. In the upcoming videos, we will be doing the word problems based on ages. So thank you for watching my video. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.